shift in power at London could also mean new pathways for India and UK. New Delhi and London have been negotiating a proposed free trade agreement or FTA for more than 2 years. This agreement aims to boost trade between the two nations. So let's have a closer look at it. The FTA could lead to mutual tariff relaxations on a range of goods, including cars, clothes, alcoholic beverages, and medical instruments. A landslide victory for the Labour Party in the UK elections could change the dynamics of the FTA negotiations. Since the UK voted to leave the European Union, political stability has been lacking. However, a comfortable Labour win might provide the needed stability to sign a deal with India. Under Starmer, the Labour Party was evolved. Starmer has recognized the political influence of the UK's Indian origin population and has tried to eliminate anti-India sentiments within his party. Labour has criticized the Conservative Party's delay in signing the FTA with India. Immigration is a contentious issue in British politics. There is bipartisan consensus on the need to restrict immigration, which could complicate negotiations. India seeks temporary visas for its service sector workforce, which is significant gain expected from the FTA. With the UK being strong in IT and financial services, India's service sector could benefit from this integration. However, Labour is likely to negotiate hard on the visa issue. India may face tougher climate negotiations with the Labour government. Labour has criticized the Tories of deviating from the UK's 2030 net zero goals. India has sought relaxation on the carbon tax that the UK plans to implement. India argues that the proposed carbon border adjustment mechanism could negate much of the tariff concessions agreed upon in the FTA. For more updates, keep watching the Indian Express.